How to fix Valorant not opening, starting, or launching problem. So if you want to fix the Valorant not opening, starting, or launching problem, then first thing you need to do is you need to go for your task manager. So simply right click on the taskbar and then go for the task manager. Under task manager, if you have an option of write client, then you just need to end the task of write client. So to end the task, you need to right click on it and then click on end task, and your task will be ended. So that's how you can end the task. And once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to remove that, and then you need to go for your disk, your file manager, where you'll have the file. So you need to right click on that disk and you need to go for properties option. Make sure to go for the tools option, and under tools you need to go for check and wait for the process to load. Once it loads, you need to click on apply and then click on OK. Once you've done that, you need to open up your local disk C, and you need to go for the option which has write games. So if you have an option of write games, then simply open up the write games folder, and under write games you will have a folder that is Valorant. So open up your Valorant folder and then access the live and go to the shooter game folder, and finally access binaries. After this, you can open the Win64 folder and right click on the Valorant shipping executable and click on the properties. So to go for the properties, you can right click on that and you will have properties option. And then you can go for the compatibility, and under compatibility, make sure to go for disable full screen optimization. You may have compatibility option and you can go for the option which is disable full screen optimization. Once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. You can apply and click on OK. And once you've done that, you can remove this, and now you need to enter the services. So enter services on your search and open up the services. And under services, you're going to locate and double click on the VGC folder. So simply search for VGC. And I don't have the VGC folder right here, but if you have the VGC folder, then you need to right click on that VGC and you need to go for the properties. Under properties, you need to go for select startup type and you need to choose automatic. Once you choose automatic, you need to click on start and you need to start the service. And once you start the service, you need to click on apply and click on OK once it starts. And once you've done that, you need to remove that. Once you've removed, you need to open up your services or system configuration. So search for system configuration. Under system configuration, go for the services again. And here under the services, you need to search for a service, which is again the VGC service. Search for the VGC service. And if it is stopped or disabled, you must activate it from the services. So the next step is in the search box, you need to enter percentage app data percentage and go for the file or the folder. And here you need to again go for the app data, which is on the upper side, and then go for the local. And under local, you may have the Riot Games folder. Simply open up the Riot Games folder, and under that, you need to go for Riot Client. And under Riot Client, you need to go for data. And under data, you need to press the folder, which is Riot Games Private Settings option. And under that, you need to rename that folder. And once you rename that folder, you need to again go for the search and search for device manager. Once you have the device manager, now you need to go for the display adapters. And on the display adapters, right click on that and then go for update driver. And once you click on update driver, go for the first option, which is search automatically for drivers, and then click on close. And once you've done all of these settings, now you just need to again go for the search and then open up your settings. Under your settings, you need to go for the system, which is on the left, and under system, you need to go for the display option. Under display, go for the graphics, and under graphics, you need to select the desktop app, and under that here you need to search for Riot Games and you need to select the Riot Games application under your graphics. Once you've selected that, now you need to restart your device, and once you've restarted, you can open up your Valorant and you will see that you have fixed your problem. So that's how you can fix, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.